got Yarah and Peter in here tonight because it's freezing out there, and I just felt sorry for them because the back room by the kitchen is a slate floor and there's no warmth in there at all, whereas at least in the shed it's got a nice warm floor because it's got litter on the floor and they've got the warmth of the rest of the hens in there. So I just felt that they were cold in there, so thought they could come in here. But we've got Dave here on the settee by me because we have to keep her safe from Peter, otherwise Peter's going to make a beeline for her, and she doesn't want him, do you, darling? So I've got Felicity up here, still observing what's going on, aren't you? Intrigued with it all. It's all new to you. Never had all this before, have you? Oh. So, yes, Dave, I've had to put her up here, had to catch her to get her up here. She's still not happy with me. If I put my hand down, she's going to try and move. I know she is. Look, watch. Oh, Dave. Oh. Okay. Perhaps she's not being weird now. Perhaps you realise that I'm saving you from that Peter. Aren't you? Hey? You're not being horrible to me today. Aren't you? Hey? You miserable little girl. Oh, poor little girl. Oh. There's a lot going on, isn't there, Amy? Hello, Peter. These two don't know what to do with themselves. I think they forgot that they used to live in here. But then again, it didn't look like this when they were in here before. Oh. I must show you something that was quite funny earlier. I got the laser pen down and Dave was chasing it around. Amy, don't disturb them, love. Amy, darling, come on. Amy. Amy, come on then. Good girl. Good girl. Sit down then. Sit. Sit down. That's a good girl. Sit down. Sit down. Is Dave in your place? You know what you're doing with all these birds in the house? Don't want them in, do you? Oh. No, don't start barking and disturbing everybody. Please, thank you. No, Amy, please, don't do that, sweetheart. Please, thank you. I don't want you upsetting everybody. Yeah, just keep running backwards and forwards. Don't think they know what to do with themselves. Once I put the light down low, they'll soon settle. Just uploading my last film. I just thought I'd just show you a little bit of Peter and Yarah. Oh no, I didn't want Gary to see it. I just wanted you to see that. Ah. Dave. Dave, following a little light. Dave, following a light. Will he go over there? Will she go over here? Dave. How cute. Cat's died to play with it. Oh! And Amy wants to go play with it too. Who is it, Gary? Is it Gary, Dave? Is it Dave? Amy wants it. Gary wants it.